here at Unique, especially in classics. Check this one out. 1934 Ford pickup. Done up into an old school hot rod look. Henry Ford steel. So this is a steel truck. Now when I say old school hot rod look, I mean take a look at it. Got that lowered look. Spoked wheels. Biased tires. Look at the exhaust. Old school engine look. That is a 283 Chevy V8 underneath the hood. Dual carb setup, so two barrels. Spoked wheels actually off a 35 Ford. As you know, back in the day when they were putting these together, that's what they were doing. Taking different parts of different years, combining them, giving them their own look. This one was done recently by some local builders and renowned builders in our area. Know what they do, know what they are doing. Front brake drums, 37 Lincoln front drums. Take a look at that grill, how nice that grill looks. Old hot rod axle look. How cool is that? Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see the interior, the undersides, and we'll get into this truck a little bit more as we go here. But check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. So that 283 V8 underneath the hood, paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. That is a T5 5-speed manual transmission. We have an aluminum radiator for cooling up here in the front of this. Flat black frame. Kind of a medium blue paint, I would call it. Very nice luster and condition to it. You may find a few little imperfections here and there. Notice one little spot where kind of see where it attaches up by the cowl. Just a real fine spider web, but overall this truck shows nicely. You get around to the rear end of it, it has a half-ton 2-wheel drive axle, 336 rear gears, adjustable coilovers. So again, this is done upright. Now the thing is, with the old school hot rods, remember, these are spoked wheels. Those are biased tires. You got a 283 V8 underneath the hood of this. So you know this gets up and goes. You got 5 gears to go through. This truck will get up and go. It's not for the faint of heart. It's not for the inexperienced. You're going to want to know how to let off the throttle here and there, maybe get back on it just a little bit. The tendencies of these old school hot rods. It's not like jumping into a late model Toyota Camry or Prius and getting in, putting it in gear and go. No. Again, this is built this way. This is the way this truck is supposed to be. Remember, we take trades. We will definitely consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Bed of it. Check out the wood grain. Great look to it. Rear gas filler. And you can check out, you'll see the tank on the underside pictures, tranny, how clean this truck is on the underside also. All right, let's check out the interior. Now, as any old hot rods go, of course, you're not going to have tons of frills and carpeting, but hey, how about a nice finished off, painted interior? Check out these buckets, aluminum seats, padding, belts, aluminum steering wheel, and a little later gauge cluster. This particular truck has the battery underneath the dash. It is more of a compact battery, more of a motorcycle size battery, and there's also a kill switch underneath there, or battery shutoff, and I'll show you that here in just a second also. And we'll fire this up. All right, so right here, this red button, push that, flips out the yellow switch. Your battery is now turned off. Let's click that on. Push that up. We will now have power. Something else still set up on this, your vent, so you can pull in fresh air, and also you can still vent the windshield on this particular truck. That is all still in working order. Cab, metal underneath here. Key switch underneath the dash. So I'm going to push the clutch in. Oops. Get my right hand and do it. There we go. Everything's backwards with that other hand. Gauge is working. You have your tach, oil pressure, and temp. Again, old school hot rod. Miles per hour, you kind of judge by your RPMs. Luckily these days, we have cell phones that have GPS and we can test it. So you can know exactly how fast you're going by the RPMs. Headlight switch right here. Listen to that sound. So it is a little cold-blooded, so I'll let it warm up. I don't want to... give you a little idea how it sounds. Door closes, fits nicely.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Nothing crazy obnoxious, but a nice rumble, nice deep throaty sound. Look at how smooth that V8 runs. Very smooth. Great old school look. Recently built with that old school feel, no doubt about that. 1934 Ford pickup. Henry Ford steel, 283 underneath that hood. T5 manual transmission. If you have any questions on this one, feel free to give us a call. The owner of this truck that they're selling for, signing it for, he is in our area, personally built this truck, like I said, local hot rod friends, and could pretty much answer any questions you may have. Don't be afraid to call us, talk to us if you have interest in this truck. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.